How to link bank account to PayPal. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to go ahead and open up your PayPal app. And from here, we are going to the wallet section at the bottom right. And in line with banks and cards, you can tap on add new. And since we want to link a bank account, we are going to select banks. This is where we can transfer funds you receive to your bank account. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. This page will then load up, and depending on your country, you will have similar instructions like this. If you have a US bank, you can tap on link a US bank instead at the bottom. But if you don't, you can follow the steps that I have right here. This is also similar to when you bank account manually. So first, you need to enter the bank name, the bank code, and your bank account number. Also make sure that the name is the same with your PayPal account and your bank account. Once you have entered your details, just tap on link your bank at the bottom, and it will then say that it is now linked to your PayPal.